Hello! Nandito na naman ako para sa update para kung paano mag-apply dito sa Canada. Ano nga ba yung cover letter na ginamit ko, which is Canadian format. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung ginamit ko na format as a Canadian format for cover letter. So, yung name mo, basic information, mobile number, email, and your address. Tapos, dear hiring manager, along with this email, I am applying as a full-time, kung ano yung ina-applyan mong posisyon, as posted in the job bank. Tapos, kung ilang years yung experience mo dun sa ina-applyan mong posisyon. I have 6 years experience which makes me a perfect candidate for this job opportunity. Tapos, ano yung mga job description mo or ano yung mga responsibilities mo dun sa position or dun sa experience mo. From maintaining the cleanliness of the till, hand over the float in the exact amount, hand over the sales after the ship, replenishing goods and foods, maintaining the excellent operation in the till, so on and so forth. Ayan yung mga duties and responsibilities. Tapos, additional din kung ano pa yung mga additional mong ginagawa. As your position, like as a food counter attendant. I have been a food counter attendant in Philippines for 6 years. My job entails running front of and back of restaurant operations. Additional duties and responsibilities mo as a food counter attendant. Moreover, I develop amazing social skills by working with multinational people with diverse background and stories through weekly meeting whereby we set healthy dialogues past sharing of knowledge and ideas. Tapos, ayan. Tapos, for your kind reference, please see attached file of my comprehensive curriculum vitae or resume. So, i-attach mo rin yung resume mo dyan. Tapos, sincerely yours, yung complete name mo, tapos applicant. Yan.